ways that operators can monetize their networks and really bring their subscribers on board. The first is offering personalized service tiers, because one of the challenges we have today is people's usage on the mobile network does not necessarily reflect how they're being charged for the services. We need to better align a person's usage with what they're being charged. And that's critical in order for service providers to manage the very rapid growth in traffic that they're having on their networks with the revenues that they can get from that traffic. In order to do that, they need policy to define different usage rules and different service tiers. They need subscriber data to be able to design these different service tiers and target them to different types of subscribers based on their usage, their preferences, their profiles. They also need to use analytics to be able to analyze how services are being used, to adjust those services, to evolve those services over time. And these personalized service tiers can be designed around bandwidth. They can be designed around applications usage, such as numbers of downloads per month. They can be designed around time. So maybe I want to buy a bucket of time, like I want to be able to use mobile data for 30 hours per month. Or they can be designed around speed, how fast my network access is. And the other important area around personalized service tiers is it's really important that customers have full transparency into their usage so that they're notified when they've hit 9 out of their 10 downloads per month, or they're notified when they're getting close to their monthly usage level. And this is very important to avoid bill shock and to build better customer loyalty. The second key area, in addition to personalized service tiers, is being able to add value to over-the-top applications. The reality today is on most mobile networks, about 50% of the applications and the revenues that are being generated from those applications are not from applications designed by the service provider themselves, but they're from third-party applications like Facebook, like Google apps, like navigation applications, like weather applications. The revenue from those apps is soaring very quickly. And service providers need to find a way to capture some of the value from that and to generate revenues from those third-party applications. And in order to do this, again, they need a real-time view of the subscriber, where they're located, their behavior, their preferences. They need to be able to offer certain quality of service guarantees for certain applications, and you need policy to be able to do that. They need to be able to have ability to analyze services and provide those analytics to enhance applications. And they also need to have open application interfaces and be able to expose those open application interfaces to content developers. The third key way that operators can monetize their networks is to simplify their plans, because today the plans are designed around the device rather than the subscriber. Now, in order to address that and to design the plan around the subscriber rather than the device, you need subscriber and device data management so that you can assign multiple device identities to one customer. You need to be able to apply policies that let you share quotas from several different devices in one plan. And you need analytics to analyze the usage of the different devices that are in that single plan. And the fourth area is casual usage and loyalty programs. And these are, we see a lot of these kinds of programs in our day-to-day interactions with airlines. We have frequent flyer programs with many of the retailers. When we shop, we may have certain cards that give us points. Well, these kinds of models can also apply to the mobile operators. They can do things like give you a frequent user bonus for the month, a bandwidth boost because you've been with them for a year. You can get birthday bonuses, day passes, all these kinds of things that allow you to become a more loyal customer to that service provider. And in order to offer those kinds of casual and loyalty programs, you need to be able to integrate policy capabilities with information on your customers and with analytics. And those are 4 key areas that service providers can target in order to really monetize and add value to mobile broadband.